turned right. I think okay, so we turned right here at this post. We went down in here. Let's say we took a left. We came around here and took a right somewhere. We went down there, but this will be even better. Yep, through here, straight down this mountainside, over this log, and then I believe this is where we cut it back up the hill. Dang, it seems so much shorter once you do it again faster. Well, dang it, I keep missing that turn. I'm definitely not doing motocross on this one, so I can definitely afford to gear this thing down. Waiting to hit one of these freaking logs not perfectly square and wipe out. I knew exactly where it was and I missed it again. Yeah, and the goal is just to put a bunch of these little loops like this in, and then kind of just throw the loops together in places and have just a nice big flowing single track system that'll work for big bikes, pit bikes. You could even probably survive it on four-wheelers, maybe even eventually put in some side-by-side stuff. Roots. Well, so far the bike's running okay, guys. Only two issues I can see are I need to install those spark busters and re-gear it. But besides that, the feel, the overall turning and everything, that's all pretty good. And that's kind of what I'm starting to love about these trails and single track, man. You want to do something different, you just go a little to the right, go a little to the left. You don't have to worry about getting a dozer, scraping up dirt, building a bunch of stuff. I think it's time to reverse it. Let's reverse it. That hill climb over there is going to be pretty freaking fun reversed. I'll tell you that. And a couple of these logs, like this one. Oh crap. Whoa. Okay. Yeah, I hit something. I hit a rock or something and it slowed my momentum. I was not going to make that hill. I'll turn around and try it again. Dang, this is a workout. Need to come up here and trim some of that barbed wire out of the way. That's for sure. Shoo! It's tougher that direction. I'll definitely admit that. Ow! Damn! Ooh, kicked the log up, hit me right in the wrist. That didn't feel good. Here we go. And I need to get it. Whoa, there's some barbed wire too. God, I've got to come up and clear this out. I need to get the trail just where I'll be able to recognize it if I don't ride it for a few days. And that way I can come out here. Come out here after it's rained and I'm getting some kind of noise. getting some kind of slippage.